Okay, assalamualaikum and a very good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I know it has been a while, so today's session is a recorded one because today we're gonna learn about steganography. So I already posted on your Google Classroom two things. The first one is the Stega tools, and the other one is the evidence. So, what is steganography? Steganography is actually the art of hiding information. So, we have learned about cryptography before, where cryptography refers to the idea of encrypting a message so that although everyone knows the message has been sent, they cannot actually find out what it means. Whereas Stega, we are trying to hide the fact that we have sent a message at all. Okay, so if you look into the folder, the Stega tools, we have three tools that we're gonna learn today. The first one is Quick Stego, S tools, and MP3 Stego. So I wanted you guys to install this, the Quick Stego. You simply click and run it. Okay. So after installing it, you just open. This one is a very simple one where you can actually hide information on top of any images. All right. So you can just open the image. I already provided you with three images. So let's say you click the zebra's hidden, and there you are. You can see the secret message, right? Hey, this is our secret over here. So this is very simple. But now how you gonna hide the text? Okay, so let's open an image, for example, candy. Okay, so you simply type your message here. For example, hey, see you tomorrow at 6. And then in order for you to hide this information, see you tomorrow at 6 p.m., you simply click this hide text. All right, and then you can see the text message is now hidden in image. So the last thing that you have to do is to simply save the image. And then here I'm gonna save it as candy hidden candy.pmp. It's very simple. So in order for you to deliver this message to your friend, you have to tell your friend that you are actually using this Quick Stego because you can't really open it without using any other tool. So for example, if I click this hidden candy, I can't really see anything, right? So that's why it's a matter of tool here when it comes to steganography. So let's say you already sent it to your friend, and now your friend gonna see if the image contains any hidden information or not. So the same thing, your friend just have to click open hidden candy, and now you can see the message. Yeah, it's very simple, and yes, I know it's not really secure because we are not encrypting the information. We're just hiding it on top of the image. All right. Okay. So that's it for the first one. Now we're gonna learn the second tool, which is S tools. This one also is very simple because it requires only drag and drop. You don't really have to install it. Okay. So if you click this evidence, right? You can just simply, let me put it here. Okay. Okay, because I actually have two windows here. I have two monitors. So, yeah, it's in the other monitor. Okay, it's actually in between. I have to put it here. Sorry for that. All right. Okay. So basically what you can do is just to drag and drop. Okay. You can actually just go to file and, open it, but I just want to show how you can actually do this. So you drag and you drop the image over there. Okay. And in order for you to hide their information, okay, this is one thing about S-Tools. You can actually hide any types of file on any types of file. So for example, you want to hide this txt, secret.txt. Hey, this is our secret. Meet me at KLCC today, for example. Save it. All right. So I want to hide it on top of this flower.pmp. So you can see here. This one, it requires password, and it provides 4 types of encryption algorithms. So it's more secure than quick Stego. So you just set the password. Okay, and then you can choose any of these algorithms. All right. So this encryption algorithm, is it symmetric or asymmetric encryption? Okay, please comment. All right. So now you can see that hidden data, there is a new window over there. So you simply right click and you save it. And you can say this is hidden flower, okay, .bmp, and you just save it. Okay, now how to actually view this hidden information? The same concept. Okay, you simply open the files, hidden flower.bmp. All right, now remember we already set the password for this image. So in order for you to reveal any information, right, you just right click and choose reveal. And then you have to use the same password. So if you send this image to your friend, you have to tell them the password and also the encryption algorithm that you have chosen. Okay. Now you can see that secret.txt. So this is your evidence, right? So you can just right click and save this secret.txt as your finding or evidence when you solve the case. Okay, that's it. As tools, quick Stego. The last tool that we're gonna learn is MP3 Steno. So this one, if you click the readme.txt, okay, you can read the information about it. So this one, it requires you to understand the command because it is not GUI based. It's not like the previous tools where you can simply drag and drop or open the image. This one, you have to run this using the CMD. So if you refer to this readme.txt, okay, example, it should be example, okay. All right, in order for you to encode, you have to follow this command, encode -e, the file that you want to hide, and the audio files, and this is the new one. Okay, let us try this. Okay, yep, I'm gonna save it. Okay, So basically, in order for you to do that, you have to open your command prompt. So you simply type cmd and then run it. And okay, let me close this one first. Properties. I want to increase the font so you guys can see it clearly. All right, it's better now. So the first thing you have to do is to change the directory, right? I put the tools here on the desktop. So how to change the directory? CD, meaning change directory. So you can just drag and drop this folder. So the location in this uses lab desktop Stego tools. So now we are in the right directory. Yeah, you can see it there. CD to the MP3 steno, because this is the file that contains all the tools. Okay, so if you open this one, right? Okay, let me MP3 steno. You have two options here. One is to encode, one is to decode. So in order for you to hide information on top of the MP3 files or audio files, you have to put everything in the same folder. All right. So here I already created the secret message. Hello, meet me at IUM today. Okay, and then you're gonna set this. All right, and this is the file. So I wanted to hide this secret message.txt on the sleepaway.mp3 or maybe this WAV files. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to just run this encode, all right, .exe -h to see all the commands, all the options. So here is the usage. In order for you to encode the option, you can choose -h, okay, help message, it's the standard one. -b, the bit rate, okay, default is 128 kilobytes, so it's very small. -c, -o, all right, -e is the file name of the file to be hidden. And -p is the passphrase that you can use to embed the message. Okay, it's very straightforward, right? So let's follow that one. So you can just use encode.exe. I want to hide this file secret.txt, all right, into this WAV file. So I have to use this command -e and then simply put the file name secret message.txt and let's set the password -p for the password. So let's say the password is password. We shouldn't do that, but this is just an example, right? And then the new file. So maybe I'm gonna set hidden.mp3, right? Okay, mp3. Let's set this. No, it doesn't work. We missed something over here. Oh, the audio file. -p password. Okay, the file, right? Like then I forgot to put the file that we want to put it, the hidden information. Sorry for that. So here let's choose this Nelly WAV and then I'm gonna save it as a new file, which is hidden.mp3. Right, now it's working. Yeah, it works. Okay, so the frame 1 of 6,000. Okay, it's just 0.02%. So you have to wait it to be 100%. So basically that's the idea. So what's interesting about this tool, right? when you do forensics analysis, right? And let's say you are at the crime scene, and as forensic analyst, you have to investigate all files. So meaning to say, if you see images files, then the first thing that comes to your mind is like, okay, look, it can contain hidden information. So you have to try all possibilities here in order for you to find the evidence. All right. So, okay, we're gonna wait until it's 100%. Right. So that's it for today's class. Please try this and let me know if you have any problem. All right. Till then, Assalamualaikum. Take care, guys.